Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a very initial starting video of the Kafeh 2. So once you go to the Google Play Store, you can find the Kafeh 2 and you can install it. Once you install on the system, you will find the icon of the Kafeh 2 and you just click on that and this will land to the login page of the applications. So if you are first time installing the app, make sure you give the permission to locations and cameras and the storage. And if you're logging the first time, you have to input the admin username and password so to the login to the system and then activate the applications. Once you log in at the admin, you can sync all inspected data down to the system and then log in. So I already created one inspector using the portal, Mr. Rana. Okay, I just log in with his username and password and go to the page. So here you can find, you can create the new, you can see the list of all the visits, you can upload the data, you can maintain the data, and you have to do the setting. The first thing you have to do, you go to the system and download all the data from the cloud as a offlines. So idea is even you don't have an internet connection in the field, still you can use the app 100%. Okay. So for example, you have to download the zone informations and also the contract areas, all the geo entities like villages or districts. All data will be synced uh, to the phone and save in the local database. Likewise, you can sync all the inspector data, employees, vehicles, pest type, treatment types, everything you can now. For example, if I click on contact area, he will sync all the data back to the cloud to the mobile phones. And now you go to the uh, uh, new visits and you can see here a new visit. Once you sync all the data, so system will present you with the number of the drop down option mostly where you can get all the data on your way. For example, you select your subdivision, and within the subdivision you can find your district. Currently there is only one district, so I just select that one. If there is a more district registered to the system, automatically they will appear there. Then come the XY, and then you can find the dates. You can use the camera to store your photos, and then you can give the street names and also the building number if there's anything. If you have, for example, all the door numbers or the vehicles, the list of vehicle presented to you, all kind of implies you can drop down, you can get select any pest types, what kind of treatment you want, and what kind of sub treatment. And then there is a 500 words where you can input all kind of remarks. If you have anything, any reports, you can type it here. Once you save it, and then you can upload the data back to the system.